sociologist when they're well trained. Start doing it before I ask. Let me see who name. That's what Pablo. You remember the Russian guy and the dog?
Yeah.
Pablo, he feeds it and it comes up every time when you know. Great. That's very mature, man. Thank you. I can save my paper for another class, so I can save the forest. Okay, so let's get to number 49. How much more time there so we can see? Huh? Okay, here, transpose this term. So I have y squared. This is step 1. Set the equation to 0. So now I'm lucky. The first coefficient has a 1. So I don't have to stretch my brain that hard. I don't have to use too much brain. Middle term is 6. On top, the space down there. So go ahead. The FOIL method, just use. And it does work. It's been around wide work. It's been around for hundreds of years.
So wait, Nichols, so you took,
Just follow the rule. I transpose. The rule says set the equation to 0. That's not 0.
Oh, okay.
I transpose both. No X. And this is 0, this is it. So that's step 1. Step 2, factor completely. So I draw my blueprint. And I'm saying to, because the coefficient, and most of them is going to be, we're going to have 1. But, okay. So the factor of y squared is y. What's the product? Y times y is y squared. That's FOIL method. The factor of the last term is 8. So I'm going to use 4 times 2.
8.
Why? Because I know I don't have to think too hard. Once the first term is a 1, I don't have to worry about that. What two number multiply to give you 8 and add up to this middle term? 4 and 2 gives me 8, and if I add 4 and 2, I get 6. So I'm in good shape. And they're all positive. And we're not going to try to give you facts, some of these facts in there will tax your brain more. No, we're not. So it's going to be 4x plus 2x. When you add it up, you get 6y. So we got it. So that's step 2. Step 3, set each factor to 0. Why? That's the rule. We went to school for 12 years to learn what improve your comprehension skills. So y equals minus 4. Y equals minus 2. So that's the answer. Answer 1. Answer 2. Let's do number 50. That's y. Oh, goes there. So we'll do number 50. Again, you can check. So I'm going to erase. I'm doing the quadratic equation side now.
Oh, so 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, 2 times 4 is 6.
Right. Plus 2 and plus 4 is 6 what? You must have this check. This is B. Must have the check. Long as when you multiply 2 inside and 2 outside, they add up to 6 to the middle term, you're correct. let me go to number 50. And number 50, 48 adds more numbers. So let's beat up on the one with more numbers. Number
So,
4.
Professor, how would this be different from the distributive law as opposed to this one?
We
This
have
is like-
they're all the same. 4 method of factoring, and they're all connected. Everything connected. Chapter 1 connected.
Okay,
So they're all connected. Eventually, when you start doing so much, you begin, now I see why they're connected.
okay.
So they all are connected. They might not like each other, but they're connected. I think that's a minus 44 out of 45. So that's problem 48. To do this problem, I'm just going to start up. I want to set the equation to 0. Why? That's the rule. Solve the quadratic. So I have to follow their rule. It's their problem, their 3x squared.
Three x squared plus 24x.
Now I got 0. Step 1. What number will divide? Is there a number will go to 3, 24, and hello?
Yeah, 3. No.
3 will go into 24. Yeah.
8
And
and
48.
yes, no.
Well, they only have 2 answers, yes or no.
That's 45.
Oh,
Oh,
45.
45. Okay.
Thank you. And 3 will do it.
Yeah.
So I'll have to look for the greatest common factor. So 3, why am I